Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Decentraland price prediction and Decentraland news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Decentraland in 2022. Decentraland, MANA, defines itself as a virtual reality platform based on the Ethereum blockchain that allows users to create, serve and monetize content and applications. In this virtual reality, users buy land that they can later navigate, build on, and monetize. Decentraland was launched following a $24 million initial coin offering, ICO, that took place in 2017. Virtual World launched its closed beta in 2019 and opened to the public in February 2020. Since then, users have created a wide range of experiences on their land sites, including interactive games, extensive 3D scenes, and many other interactive experiences. Decentraland was created by Ariel Milik and Esteban Ordano, who have retired from their core roles on the project, but are still working with Decentraland as advisors. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Decentraland. First news is the beta version of Decentraland's desktop client for Windows has arrived. You can get involved and help test its performance improvements in preparation for a more complete launch in the coming months. Second news today about Metaverse altcoin Decentraland, MANA, launches world's biggest virtual fashion show. Virtual gaming marketplace Decentraland, MANA, is set to host the first ever Metaverse Fashion Week, MVFW, on its platform. Decentraland will host 4 days of virtual runway shows to exhibit artificial intelligence fashion and wearable tech in the form of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, by some of the most recognized fashion brands in the world, such as Tommy Hilfiger, Selfridges, Cavalli, Eli Saab, Vogue Arabia, GoPay and others, according to a new press release. MANA's creative director Sam Hamilton says that while fashion isn't new to the metaverse, the demand for stylish digital clothes is booming. Fashion and haute couture are not new to the metaverse. Decentraland has been on the cutting edge of rare and in-demand digital fashions since the launch of Avatar wearables in 2020. Since that time, creators have been pushing both the technical and stylistic limits of Decentraland wearables and have created a booming economy with over $1 million in sales of Avatar wearables last year. The immersive fashion show will take place in Decentraland's new luxury fashion district and will feature a futuristic-looking catwalk. It will also host pop-up metaverse shops and afterparties. The area's shopping district will surround the virtual runway and is inspired by architecture from Paris's famous Avenue Montaigne, known for its chic clothing stores and decor. The event is slated to run between March 24th to March 27th, according to the press release. Decentraland is Exchange Music Group as its clients. Commenting on his move into the metaverse, Bieber said, "I've always been drawn to the intersection between technology and art, and Genies provides unique and compelling opportunities to harness the power of that combination to enable new forms of creativity, expression and communication. This is the first public metaverse play from the former Disney CEO, who served as the chief executive from 2005 to 2020. Iger stepped down as chairman last year." Meanwhile, Genies co-founder and CEO Kash Nigam said, "We believe that avatar ecosystems are going to be the mobile apps of Web3. An ambitious vision calls for rare mindshare, and I can't think of a better creative and product thinker than Bob to collaborate with in bringing this all to reality." Disney itself has been making moves into the non-fungible token, NFT, space, launching digital golden statues of iconic Disney characters with digital collectibles brand Vive. Heineken pokes fun at the Metaverse mania with the world's first virtual beer in an apparent app at all the action going on in the metaverse. Dutch brewing giant Heineken has debuted what a coin could lead to a suboptimal outlook for Engine Coin. Perhaps the most interesting metric is the supply of ENG held on exchanges. This index can be used to determine the potential sell-side pressure for an asset. For Engine Coin, the holdings of ENG have increased from 403 million to 417 million. This net 14 million uptick in ENG entering centralized exchange wallets indicates that these investors might sell in case of a flash crash, compounding the sell-side pressure and causing more losses. Therefore, market participants need to exercise caution when investing in Engine Coin. And second news about Metaverse Fashion Week, 70 brands do their best to showcase style in Decentraland. Decentraland kicked off Metaverse Fashion Week, a combination of high-end designers and wearables vendors flaunting non-fungible token, NFT, collections in the blockchain-based virtual world. Brands such as Estée Lauder, Tommy Hilfiger, Dolce & Gabbana and Forever 21 are all participating in the virtual fashion event. Many spent weeks laying claim to metaverse-ready trademarks in what now appears to have been a preemptive brand protection strategy ahead of their NFT premiere. With the rise of digital goods and metaverse shopping experiences, Decentraland's Fashion Week seeks to provide a space for people to express themselves and expand the understanding of their own self through wearables on their avatars, said Sam Hamilton, Decentraland's creative director. "I see people being much more outrageous in the metaverse," Hamilton told CoinDesk in a phone interview. "People will see a really great use case for NFTs as a result of the event. Fashion shows, galleries and brand-hosted panels will pop up across a newly developed corner of Decentraland called Fashion District through March 27. Virtual real estate company Metaverse Group purchased the 6,000 square foot plot last November for a record $2.4 million. How much will Decentraland cost in 2025, or how much will Decentraland cost in 10 years? Guessing price fluctuations and predicting future prices is a hell of a task. Decentraland Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Decentraland, Mana, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $3.70. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Decentraland's maximum price could be up to $4.21 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Decentraland Course Forecast 2023. Mana has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Decentraland, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $6.18. Mana is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $5.37, a minimum price of $5.19, and a maximum price of $6.18. Decentraland Course Prediction 2024. In 2024, with wider adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, Decentraland price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $9.01 in 2024. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $8.04 with a maximum price of $9.01 for 2024. Price Mana Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Decentraland price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of Mana will rise to around $11.46 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year could end with a maximum price of $13.49 with a minimum price. Level $11.13. Mana Rate Prediction 2026. Mana will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Decentraland rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2026, the Decentraland rate will be almost $16.85. The maximum bet we can get is $20.02. Decentraland average price prediction for the end of 2026 could be around $17.30. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Mana Price Prediction 2027. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Decentraland will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2027, Mana is expected to peak at $29.37. The minimum bid could rise to $24.21 if the market turns bullish.